The next question asks us A1 Trucks sold an average of 70 trucks every month in 2018. In the first quarter of 2019, they have sold a total of 150 trucks. What is the minimum number of trucks they need to sell in the other 3 quarters to maintain last year's average? This is a very typical sum that you come across on GRE. Maybe a little tougher version of this. This is one of the basic or easy level questions. Um, whenever they talk about average being a certain number, you should immediately go back and start thinking about the total numbers sold for that particular year, month, whatever numbers they have given. So in this case, they're saying in 2017 they sold an average of 70 trucks. And 70 trucks in 12 months, average of 70 trucks in 12 months, which means the total in 12 months is going to be 840 trucks. They further go on and say that in the first quarter of 2019, they sold 150 trucks so far. So what is the minimum number of trucks that they would need to sell in the other 3 quarters in order to maintain last year's average? So last year's average could be maintained. 70 trucks per month could be maintained if A1 trucks reach a total of 840 trucks minimum, right? I mean, that is when they would reach last year's average. So what we do is we take that 840, which is last year's figures, and we deduct 150 from it, and we get a total of 690 trucks. So the minimum number of trucks that they need to sell in order to maintain last year's average is 690. If they sell more than 690, if they sell 750, it doesn't matter. They have already met last year's average, but to meet last year's average, at least it would require them to sell 690 trucks. Hence, the answer is D.